simplify each of the following fully, all answers should be written in radical form. So our first problem is 3 times the square root of 24. We're going to make a factor tree. 4 times 6. You could have picked 2 times 12. You could have picked 3 times 8. Because what we're going to do is we're going to write these as prime factors. And 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And what we need are 2 of the same to take out 1. So we're done with those. This is a single and this is a single. We can't do anything with that except that we can multiply them back together. 2 times 3 is 6. Don't forget, however, that we have a 3 out in front of this. This means 3 times 2 square root of 6. So when we finish, this is 6 square root of 6. Number 11. With regards to a negative underneath the square root, we have to start there. Square root of negative 1, square root of 144. Square root of negative 1 is I. So this is I times the square root of 144. If you take the square root of 144 in your calculator, you will see that it is a perfect square. It happens to be 12 times 12. We're always looking for 2 of the same, so we could have broken 12 times 12 down, but 2 of the same to take out 1 is going to give us our final value of 12i. We can see the I a little bit better on problem number 12, because if we simplify this here, again, we have to start. The square root of a negative. We can't take the square root of a negative until we deal with that. Square root of negative is I, and then we've got the square root of 45. I'm going to go out to the side here, and 45 is 9 times 5, which is 3 times 3. And what we're looking for then, when we have this, we've got, let's see, we've got I times 3 times 3 times 5, writing it a little bit better, because we need 2 of the same value to take out 1. When you take out a 3, we still have an I out there, and we get the square root of 5.